Hey, Dad,
Hey?
what was school like back in your day?
You see, son, school is where life peaks.
Hi, Mrs. G, you got any ciggies on your lap? Do you want one, love?
I practically ran the whole place.
Yes, Johnny, give us your shoes, son. I'm not again. I don't even fucking want them, you man.
Utter mayhem.
Get the fuck out of my class, you disruptive little rat! Come on then, Johnson, you old pisshead, let's fucking go! Oh, you little cunt!
And that's Mr. Johnson. You never wanted to get him after lunch, because he's just been down the pub and right up for a scrap. Yeah, we had our fair share of light-hearted pranks.
Go on, do it! Fuck it!
And how could you blame us? We were little shits who just wanted a bit of fun.
Which one of you little fucks took the exam paper?
Oh, so you mean these papers?
As I said, harmless. Look, we hated school and it was us against that stupid system. We had our secret spot and all day we'd chief on that cheese.
Martin!
Sorry, love. Anyway.
As for the learning, I learned absolutely fuck all. That is, of course, as I learned how to get laid. Oh, I was a legend. I left school with absolutely fuck all. 0 GCSEs.
Well, and the deputy head teacher, of course, that being the fittest bird in school.
And that was about it. Wow, I mean, I just wish I could go back.